How to create Electrum Wallet account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to download and install the Electrum Wallet app on your device. You can do that from Play Store or App Store. Then tap open the application. Now here it is asking if you use a local proxy service such as TOR to reach the internet. Tap yes or no accordingly, then tap on the next button. Here it says how do you want to connect to a server. You can choose auto connect or select servers manually. I will select auto connect. Now tap on next. Now here you can create your wallet name, then tap on next. Next, it's going to ask you what kind of wallet you want to create. You can choose between standard wallet, wallet with two-factor authentication, multi-signature wallet, or import Bitcoin addresses or private keys. I'm going to go with standard wallet. Once you have selected your desired wallet, tap on next. Now it's going to ask you what kind of wallet do you want to create. If you don't have a seed, tap on create a new seed. If you have a seed, tap on the second option. If you have a master key, tap on the third option. Then tap on the next button. Unfortunately, this section could not be recorded due to privacy concern, but this is where you get your seed. You basically get 12 random words here. What you need to do next is save these 12 words on paper. This seed will allow you to recover your wallet in case of computer failure. Once you have written all these words in the same sequence on a piece of paper, tap on the next button. Now here you need to confirm your seed by entering your seed just in the same order that you just viewed it. Once you have entered all the words, tap on next. Now here you need to enter a password for your wallet. Then enter the password again. After that, tap on the finish button. And just like that, your new Electrum Wallet account has been created. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.